Welcome to third standard social class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about our helpers. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn about our friends. Human beings are social animals. You and I, along with many others, live in a society, a community where we help and maintain healthy relationship with each other. Without community living, survival would be much difficult for we depend on each other for so many things. Community helpers, those we call our friends, are people who work in the community for its overall well-being. That means they work for the people residing in the community. They solve problems that we experience in daily life. They do jobs that help you and me go about our day without any disturbance. Without community helpers, our current state would be a mess. In this lesson, we are going to learn about some of the community helpers. A 7-year-old girl named Samatra goes to market to buy some groceries along with her mother Vanilla. While walking, they come across so many people walking. Let us listen the conversation between Mother Vanilla and Samatra. Mother Vanilla: Dear Samatra, keep yourself left and don't go to the center of road. As we go deep into the market, the crowd will increase. Don't run away. Samatra: Okay, ma. What sound is that? Is that a bell? Mother: It is the sound of a fire engine. I think a fire accident has occurred somewhere. Samatra: Is it? Oh my God. Mother: The bell is a warning to the people on the road so that they can give way to the fire engine. Samantara: Why should one give way to it? Mother: It is an emergency. It has to go fast and reach the spot to save people and their properties. Samantara: How can the vehicle save people? Mother: I am proud to see that you are curious. The vehicles has many trained firefighters who save people and properties with the help of water, foam, ladder, and other fire extinguishing objects and devices. This vehicle is not only used during fire accidents but can be used in other emergencies or disasters too. Samatra: Ma, tell me more about the firefighters. It's amazing. Are they not afraid of fire? Mother: The firefighters are well trained to carry out their duties. They wear protective jackets. They put water on the affected part of the building. They move people and property to the safer place. Samatra: How do they save the people who are trapped in fire or burnt? Mother: People with burns are sent in an ambulance to the government hospital. This vehicle contains all the facilities for the first aid. The affected people are admitted in the hospital and given treatment. Let us write. Nurse is a person who assists the doctor and takes care of the patients. Complete the below activity with various duties of the nurse. The 2 duties of a nurse it is given. You have to write the other 2 duties. The first one is stitches the wound. The second one is injects the patient. The rest of the 2 things you have to write. Samitra asks her mother, Can everyone go in this vehicle? Mother: This vehicle is meant only for those who are in need emergency treatment. Samudra. Emergency treatment. Mother. It is needed by people whose lives are in danger, like people who suffer from heart attack, faint, unable to walk, fall victim to accidents, etc. Samudra had a doubt. She asked her mother, how does one get treatment in this vehicle, which means an ambulance? Mother, we do not get treatment, but we can get first aid. Samudra, first aid? Mother, first aid is a life-saving aid that is given before the actual treatment of the victim. This ambulance contains a doctor, a nurse, and all the first aid devices and medicines. How can one call the ambulance? You can able to dial the number 108. It is for ambulance. Let us know. Good Samaritan law. Good Samaritan law was executed by central government in the year 2014 to safeguard those who help the victims of accidents and other calamities. According to this law, any person can help the victim and accompany him or her to the hospital. The person need not reveal his or her name or pay for the victim's treatment. This law was formed so that any person can come forward to help the people in need without the fear of police, rules and regulation, etc. Let us think. The 3 vehicle it is given, you have to choose the correct number to dial. The first one, 101, it is for the fire engine. 100, it is for the police vehicle, and 108, it is for the ambulance. I hope you got more information about our helpers. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.